the unfortunate part, because of colonization, because of enslavement, because of oppression, our minds were made not to. Yabona nje ekhaya bokuthi nakudala kweminye imizi uma ningenza umsebenzi kumele uyocela ipermission usho ukuthi lo msebenzi noze sizohlaba imbuzi kuyoba nabantu abangaki, so people were not allowed to celebrate who they are. When a conqueror conquers everything, your culture, tradition, you were not allowed to celebrate your being an African child and the way you're supposed to do. However, we're doing it underground. We're doing it pretending ukuthi sesontweni kanti in that church, if umfundisi bekazibhekile, we abafundisi babezibhekile thina when so you will do ezinye izinto zamadlozi kusezathi even medlula basole sishaya isigubhu and praying. However, there were things that we're doing that were cultural. The unfortunate part ukuthi abantu abaphila namhlanje yilaba abakhule ngalesa sikhathi, and now it's not easy to ukufundisa abantwana ukuthi enhleke iAfrica iyinto enjani and how we used to celebrate. However, the now Tina that are speaking on this African calendar, we are now bringing it up. There should be even a curriculum that speak about Africa.
Do you think we are ready to celebrate Ancestral Day?
We the ready is something else, but I'm saying each and every year we see majority about Africans coming up now. Okay. They are, for the fact that you recognize yourself. Uguti, I am an African, and I am a spirit, and I'm in the land of spirit of mystery, and I'm connecting with this land. It must make you already ready for the fact that abantu abaningi sebayakwazi ukwenza umqombothi manje. That is why umthombo akusekhulula nokuthi siwuthole. So the things ezenzakala ukubona ukuthi nabantu ukuthi hayi gogo besiphahlile, gogo senzale, and ukuvuka komoya, umoya at the moment uphezulu in our land, because ancestors are saying we have been waiting for you. We have been waiting for you to cleanse us, bring us back home. We've been waiting for you to adjust and be Africans, in this time. Tell us what is happening.
As Ubungoma gained popularity, did it lose its purpose?
Okay. In a way, yes. You must understand ukuthi Ubungoma, it's not something that is new now. It is a heritage. It's a heritage that we need to defend by all means, because uma uthi ubungoma buhamba nengoma. Umuntu mehambile ekhaya kumele ahambe ayongoma eze nale ngoma. Ingoma uqala nayo ikuthatha usekhaya ikukhiphe ikuse la kumele uyokhona bahambe nawe.
Gogo, are we healing or we performing healing?
The healer, we are all wounded. We started with that.
Okay.
Even the healer is wounded.
Okay.
Even the one on a CPO, that person is wounded.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Okay, so Kanye, I know we are late, but I need to tell my munchies about our drink of choice this season 19. Darlings, I am having a craft ginger beer. As we all know that not all ginger beers are created equally. This one is authentic, traditionally brewed the way my grandmother used to made one. And of course, it's aged well in the fridge. So please, Kanye, make sure you put those on in the fridge. And to you, my guest, apologies, but you can have a ginger beer with me as well. And yeah, we can run the show now. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. My name is Patanani, I am your chef, and of course I am not alone. My beautiful guest, Ubuyile Sawon.
Sawona mkhulu, siyaphila njani?
Siyaphila.
Ngiyabonga ukubuya ekhaya. Ukuthi sakuphatha kahle. Njengoba usubuyile. Ngijabulile mkhulu.
I-craft ginger beer.
Nje, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ubuyile futhi. Ubumnandi obula ngibuzwile. Ngizamile ukuthi nabantwana bahambe bayongifunela. Bangifunele gogo. Bangifunele. Siyaphahla phela ngo ginger beer thina. Siyathatha sithelele nabadala.
That's why ngilethile phela.
kulungile.
Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi
Bayithanda
yenza
kabi.
umsebenzi omningi kabi.
Iyakhuluma futhi kubo ngaphandle kokuthi iyakulapha nawe nasesiswini uyalapheka nje ube kahle. Kodwa nabo siyayithatha sifake ekhapini sikhulume nabo. Ukuthi phuzani yini nani kwenza lokho nasifundisa kona ngoba ikho drink yokuqala siyaziyo le.
I-ginger beer. Oh my Manchester Dimizwe gogo uyachaza ukuthi i-ginger beer you'll never go wrong with ginger beer. You know what name? You can get your ginger beer at your nearest Pick and Pay Spa. And you know gogo what's nice? Let's give them money because I'm sure last time batona bayithengile bayiphuza bayenjoya. My Manchis, we are giving away 1,000 rand cash. It's Tuesday today, of course. So on Sunday, we will announce the winner. All they need to do is to go and buy your crafted ginger beer, create a 10 to 15 second video. Be creative. They need to be creative. They need to be creative. In order for them to win, they need to be creative. And make sure you keep your slip because if you win, I will need that slip. So make sure when you see this video on our Facebook page, that's where you're going to post your 10 to 15 second video under this video. And of course, we will choose the best winner.
Of course.
And I'll make sure to gogo.
Ukhona uyochuzayo. Iba creative.
Yes.
Ngiyazi ukuthi nje abantu ba creative. Tina we know art. Ku artistic nje singabantu. So be creative. Uma ukhuluma sizo ukuthi udlala kanjani. Yebona sibonisa ukuthi nawe ongakwazi kuyenza lento. Ukhumbule okhokho, ukhumbule isimanje futhi.
And how you place your ginger beer as well. It's very nice, this ginger beer. Anyway, please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where you from? And what's special about you?
Thokozani mkhulu. Nithokoze nabalaleli. Ngiyanibingelela kuyinkalo zonke enhleli kuzo. Njengoba ngangishilo ngalesa sikhathi. My name is Sheila Wakambele. I am Isangoma. I am Isanusi. And I'm greatly also called Ishi Elephant. I am from Katlehong. Yes, I'm Katlehong. I'm wearing so many hats and I'm just representing Impemba Institute of African Spirituality and African Healing and Spirituality eMathongeni ngisangoma.
Wow. Sise Katlehong eNtumbeni. Yes. Beautiful place. Beautiful place. So can you even look at that? Oh my goodness. Please make sure you show our Manchis where we are. Oh, gogo ngiphakama ngokukhulu ukubonga. Ukuthi ungimemile la kwakho ngenkulu inhlonipho ngicela wazi ukuthi I don't take you for granted. I don't take your space for granted. Ngingumntwana osadinga ulwazi and isiZulu sithi ulwazi lubuzwa kwabaphambili. Last time you did say ukuthi be you. Indlela eyakho kumele uyihambe wena so that laba bezemva kwakho azobuza wena musu kuhlala nje uthi hayi ukhona usibani siyobuza kuye. Thank you so much. My Manchis usichazile ukuthi ungubani ubuya up and of course I'm in Katlehong. Gogo namhlanje nje ngifuna sikhulume nje gogo ngike ngizwe kuthiwa there's an African calendar. Kodwa angazi mina ukuthi African calendar ihluke kanjani kule calendar engiyaziyo mina nale kuthiwa i-African calendar kunabo African calendar kunabo African spirituality kuningi nje gogo. Ngizocela ukuthi ungifundise ufundise nababukeli bami ababukele lolu hlelo lethu othandwa kakhulu iManchis and Thoughts.
Siyathokoza mkhulu. Ngithokoze nakubalaleli uma ukuthi bekhuluma ngeAfrican calendar. Ngicela ukuthi sibuyele emuva la ngengathi ngelinye ilanga ngahamba ngaze ngafika endaweni le ebizwa ukuthi inzalo thina sithi inzalo kaMazisakazi. uMazisakazi ugogo kusho ukuthi umkhulu bechaza naye ethi ugogo osilayelayo owumhlahlandlela osifundisayo nosiqondisayo. Ungazi umlinganise mhlambe ukhokho njengoma art abaningi bazomaza uma art ukuthi ubuntu uma uthi ukhuluma ngobuntu ukhuluma ngemithetho e42 eyasemandulo okusho ukuthi imithetho eyayidala ikhona. Sibonile ukuthi le mithetho inkolo ezinye ziyithathile nabo bayayisebenzisa noma bangayithathanga yaba u42 kodwa bathathe nje lokho kuncane. Sine uma kuthiwa ikhalenda uhlelo lwempilo ngokwempilo yethu kumalanga esiphila kuwo. I-African calendar in Africa, it talks about uma abantu bekhuleka bathi sikhuleka empumalanga, enyakatho, entshonalanga, eningizimu. That's a 4 cardinal corners. Ikhalenda labakhuluma ngayo bakhuluma ngeenkathi zonyaka ngendlela isintu esibona ngakhona nangendlela sibona thina as African that we supposed to be looking at indlela yokwenza ngoba imvelo iyasitshela ukuthi isikhathi sethu sihamba ngani. The unfortunate part esikuyo njengamanje singama-Afrika laba abafikile isikhathi esikuso siphila isikhathi sase-Europe kunokuthi siphile isikhathi sila ikhanda balibhekise phansi inyawo zabheka phezulu. So even newash umulibona lelo libhekile likutshela lithikela phansi liya le yi-Europe le akukho nje into enjalo la in Africa, in South Africa elethi lithikela phezulu liya le aliphansi. So uma kukhuluma ngekhalenda asithi nje siney'nyanga eziwu-12 eziyishumi nambili or 12 months that we have. So our first month in Africa, abanye it depends. I know Lesotho will say their first month it's August, but normally we look at imvelo what it says to us because it's a sundial instead of kube ngendlela yase lisilandela ilanga ukuthi lithini. So you look at uSeptember uba sempumalanga. Impumalanga leyo, it comes from the eastern side, and September at home here asinayo into ebizwa uSeptember. So we have adopted European words that have nothing to do with us. So however siyasithi kisi inyanga kaMandulo yakasilimela siyalima sonke inyanga yokuqala nqa uMandulo. So kuye kubhekeke ukuthi njengalesikhathi ngoMandulo ngoSeptember empumalanga qala in Congo they would say it's a kala, that's what it means. It means inzalo yomntwana ilanga liyaqala, it's spring. Ngobe spring kula kuqhakaza khona izinto zicala ukumila zithi bese iyahamba ke kube kayi4 mase ifika inkathi le calendar yathi isuka ithi September ngizoshona le ngoba ngilandela ilanga ayiphansi ithi September ithi October November December thina kithi ke uDecember lo mase ifika kuDecember esinye isikhathi la sithi sesisehlobo ihlobo lingoDecember noma sithi la esizulwini la ngikhule ngokwesizulu sithi uzibandlela. Siyazi ukuthi indlela sezibekele kuvalekile thina sasithanda ngoba sasidlala kukhululekile kungekho kanje sasiya siyobopha lotshane sibona ngaphandle ukuthi indlela nje umuntu makadlula arigeke nje awe. So we used to play sizifihle simbona ukuthi uzoyibona na more especially uma sebusuku siyazi ukuthi uzorigeka lapha yana. So we never thought ukuthi mhlambe ngingamkhosela ingozi. But it was because the land it's very bushy and nokudla sekuyaqala manje kuyavutha sikubonile lokho sikutshalile ngoMandulo. So mokufika ukuthi uSeptember sitshalile la ngoba usilimela lo impumalanga. Mase sifike enyakatho siyazi ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi sekukhuluma utshani sobukhulile you know ukudla sokukhona kungalesikhathi kuthiwa hayi akube nesiko abanye bazothi incwala abanye bazothi it's a testing of the first fruit ukuthi kumele size ukuthi lokudla sikutshalile ngalesa sikhathi lama seeds ayamilile amile nayo lesikhathi lezi ezinye inyanga uOctober November you are not eating anything. We were not allowed to eat fruits that eswadlayo manje fruits ozowathole winter but wathole summer, so we're not allowed to eat that umbila and other imila because it is not yet time. And besilinda kuze kufike uDecember which is uzibandlela then bese kuthi lawo fruits ke abantu bazowakha ke bahambe. Normally they would say laba ebukhosini babebise enkosini ukuthi inkosi iyotesta ukuthi ukudla kuyavuthwa noma kuvuthwa ngalithina ke sithi sikuthatha sikusemathongeni sithi lokho enisiphe kona sibonge imvelo sibonge umhlaba ukuthi sihlanyele imvula zikhona naku ukudla sokumilile sikhiphe sithi nina ke nilumani kuze nathi sikwazi kuluma. Emva kwaloko sesilindela seliyawa ilanga liyawa manje licala ukuwa ngabo January selithi selwela ngase lentshonalanga liyawa manje lithi until uMarch the 21st. uMarch nje 21st bokuyinjikalanga injikalanga ibuye kusho ukuthi ilanga selijika libuyele emuva selithina sithi liyashona lishonela phansi. So ngaleso sikhathi sithi kusekwindla sekuqala ikwindla manje we are in autumn. You know ingakubona ihlahla seziba yellow mozibhekile uma imvelo uyibheka ubuke nezinyoni ebezikhona zifike ngoSeptember they are preparing to go. Uma ubheka izilwane phansi kakhulu the ants ezimnyama intuthwane lezi ezimnyama seziyafukuza manje zithatha ukudla ziyahamba ziyokufihla zenzela ukuthi ubusika biyeza ziyabikela nezilwane nezinyoni ziyasho ukuthi kuyabikeleka manje so izilwane ziyaziprepare for i-winter. Unfortunately thina we are not preparing ourselves. Then kuzosuka ke ngoba ku-March, I mean March the 21st injikalanga so istart kwindla liya phansi until uJune. uJune injikalanga iyaphela ke kwindla lokhu kuyasuswa ukudla kuyasuswa kufaka ingqolobaneni njalo mase ufika uJune umhlaba sothulile uyalala manje sithi umhlaba uyalala kuba very kungalesikhathi lesikuyabanda ke manje umhlaba usiyalala sesibona iqhwa liyavela ukudla kusengqolobaneni. Abantwana baye esikolweni not isikolo lesi the western way but sithi baye esikolweni baye entabeni baya njalo kunamasika enziwayo abagezayo bayageza abahlubula isizila bayasihlubula inzila kanjalo abahlanzayo ngobuningi because there are major rituals okumele wenze siwenza from ikwindla or ubusika lapho qala khona because imvelo inyoka zibalekile amascorpion zonke zihibernatile so imvelo ilele iyalala manje so bese kuyasuka ke kube ngoJune mhlambe kube nemvula enayo esithi imbozi samahlanga kusho ukuthi iyabolisa lamahlanga ukuthi it's a correct imvula kumele ile abole because whatever esihlangele ngo September isiphelile isikhathi sabo. So now la kumele ukuthi lawo mahlamvu ngoba imbewu kaSeptember kumele kulale sibonge isivuno kuyabongwa futhi intombi ziyaphuma zeintabeni ziyobonga zibonga nomkhubulwane kuba imigidi eminingi kuzosuka ukuthi July kuqaleke manje kuze after imboza kube uJuly kuqaleke manje sithi uNtulikazi ziyaqala intuli ziyaya mokuthi August between July and August sizothola enye futhi imvula mhlambe sibiza ukuthi ingeza mawa igeza mawa ukuthi amawa manje seyanethisela igeze konke ukuthi kusukile bese siyaqala ke futhi sicala umandulo. New year, our new year it's in September. However, we use i-23rd, even though we are looking at Gregory, because i-23rd lo Gregory. But emandulo baye babuke nje inyanga ukuthi njani ingakuthola umhlanga eminingi kwaZulu naseSwazini inyanga nje yokuqala kaSeptember meaning inyanga mayigcwele esibhakabhakeni kuye kuthi weke kungaleso sikhathi umhlanga uzophakanyiswa noma kungaleso sikhathi kugijwa umkhosi womhlanga because babheke ilanga lomhlanga
lwamaZulu
namaswati ngoSeptember imandulo it's a new year we celebrate our new year is not in January we've got nothing to do with December we've got nothing to do with the Easter it has nothing to do with Africa. What has to do with us ile nkathi ezifo lezi sizilandelayo in an African way using the indigenous knowledge system the way si understand ngakhona nokuthi langa liyo selehlile because liyehla kumele lehle liyophumula lihambe liye kwenye indawo libuye ngoSeptember liyabuye liyehla ngoMarch.
Anyway, I don't know because my other question was inzalo yelanga. I don't know whether you because I'm hearing you touching ilanga there and there, unless maybe there is anything that you want to add or touch kule nzalo yelanga.
Inzalo yelanga, it's one area our ancestors used to use, not only South Africa. Okay. That area was in ancient time, it's a very deeper one because in ancient time, Africa, I mean in Africa broadly, because Africa knows no boundary. There were no boundaries in Africa. You know, Zimbabwe was part of South Africa, Swaziland was part of Africa. You could even see birds that are appearing in that space. You talk about falcons, you talk about swallows that are indigenously in those areas, in biomes, in areas that isn't. So you find in Inzalo yelanga not only in areas eziphezulu, our ancestors, what they did to locate nakhona to see how the sun move, because it was not only for it had many meanings guyo. So what they did, they built these 3 layers, inner 3 layers of stones. There's an layer, then there's a mediate one, and the outer one. You know, and now in that they will be able to trace the sun itself, because what they will choose where the area is very vibrating in energy, the magnetic energy, you know, on how that land is situated at a higher isentabeni nje kakhulu phezulu, you know. So there's a lot of things ezilapha enzalo ilanga. It's not only about ilanga, it's just that when you are there, like if you could go nge-21, you will see ukuthi i-reflection yalo phakathi kwalamadwala, more especially the inner one. There are two yamadwala khona ngaphakathi anomkhathi. Umkhathi wakhona will show you the northern side and the southern side. Then wona, the other one ibheke kumama ngapha, the east la on the western side. The other one ibheke kumntwana, which is Kala, which is the beginning, which is September. And umama is looking umntwana in so there is this idwala kamama, there is idwala lomntwana, and there is this one elika baba, which is no longer there, lelithathiwe. Then there's this entry la singena khona on the southern part, where umntwana gets to be born now in June city. Uma kuhlangana isikhathi esithile lo mntwana phela kaveli nje sekalaphaya, uyazalwa ukuthi abe khona lapha. So inzalo ilanga, it's one area which people would go, which they have been doing so, to go and see how the sun at a particular time, 23 or from 21st, 22nd, 23rd, is positional. It's March and September.
Okay.
So you are able to see how the sun is positioning itself in those 2 months, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. 21st, 22nd, 23rd, because this one is mirroring this one. You know, Ziafana, it's 21st September, 21st September, 22nd, 23rd, similarly. But in New Year, normally, because Selipezul, people will celebrate the 23rd, and being this is our New Year, we are opting to that one to say it is the beginning of now, the spring, and it's the beginning of our New Year in Africa, not January.
Wow. So now, okay, looking, do you really think people, they are still enjoying the calendar, the African one, or now it's all about the calendar that we know? Because me, personally, as a chef, but I didn't know, I just learned a lot from you now. And the mistakes that are happening when it comes to African calendar in Inzalo Yelang.
I think people tried, I would say, Ekaya Ugogo used to say, Umakfiga December. I think in many houses, they will say Mokfiga December, December 25th.
Yeah.
Because Nakona we look at 23rd, 24th, 25th. That is a European time. But she would ensure that I woke up and look at Ilanga. And it's a calendar, even if it was a calendar of another time, but he will make sure that
I remember they used to wake us up.
Without interpreting why the unfortunate part, because of colonization, because of enslavement, because of the oppression, our minds were made not to yabona nje ekhaya bokuthi nakudala kweminye imizi uma ningenza umsebenzi kumele uyocela ipermission usho ukuthi lo msebenzi sizohlaba imbuzi kuyoba nabantu abangaki, so people were not allowed to celebrate who they are. When a conqueror conquers everything, your culture, tradition, you were not allowed to celebrate your African, being an African child and the way you're supposed to do. However, we're doing it underground. We're doing it pretending ukuthi sesontweni kanti in that church, if umfundisi bekazibhekile, we had abafundisi babezibhekile thina when so you will do ezinye izinto zamadlozi kusezathi even medlula basole sishaya isigubhu and praying. However, there were things that we're doing that were cultural. The unfortunate part ukuthi abantu abaphila namhlanje yilaba abakhule ngalesa sikhathi, and now it's not easy to ukufundisa abantwana ukuthi enhleke iAfrica iyinto enjani and how we used to celebrate. However, the now Tina that are speaking on this African calendar, we are now bringing it up ukuthi there should be even a curriculum that speak about Africa. We are not going to tell us about calendar as a Europe and not be able to talk about what is actually the calendar, because the seasons, because the calendar talks about the seasons, the seasons and the month. And in a particular month, there's different moons. We've got 13 moons, which is each moon in a 28 days. And that 28 days, it's a menstrual cycle, gamama. And in each and every season, there are certain medicines esizitholayo okumele zisebenze esizisebenzisayo kunesingazithola ebusika kunesizithola ehlobo ekwindla entwasahlobo kanjalo. So government should be willing as well to say, I'm coming forth to to restore the diminished heritage that we used to have, because we are no longer now in slavery, we are free. So we cannot blame abantu abangakwazi abasa celebrate uDecember the way bazenzela ngakhona. We are taking it to December, it's a month now la ukuthi abantu bayaziphumulela, which has nothing to do with me celebrating with December. I don't celebrate Christmas, I don't celebrate this New Year, however ngisekhaya. But we need to also speak government, which I should not be forced to stay at home with December, no, whatever the time, that has nothing to do with me, and that religion has to impact on me. And also March, I should not be forced to celebrate another religion when I'm not part of that religion. Should I be able to say Mina, like we've opted to say E8 is March, E8 is May, should be an ancestral day where we are recognizing our own ancestors in Africa, in our land. You understand? Unlike being told the calendar that sits, it's only the holy calendar, which the holy calendar has nothing to do with the African holy calendar. You understand? Which we are pushing now, the agenda African calendar, that we have our times, we have our holidays, we have our times, our months and celebration. We want acknowledgement. We want government to understand which this is how it works, because into us it happens in a particular time. You are not projecting which we are not in control of this.
Okay.
These are spiritual things.
Okay, that was beautiful. But I'm hearing you saying 8 May, Ancestral Day. Why specifically 8 May?
We've looked at 8 May with Amakhosi, because this came in a discussion in Amakhosi, because if you look at May, which approaches June, and ancestrally that energy is very high. It may be high in mhlambe about December, but when ufika ngalesi sikhathi, most of the activities, most of the sacredness, most of our rituals and ceremonies starts from in the beginning of May. Abantwana bazilungisela ukuya esikolweni entabeni. And umhlaba ulele, abantu abaningi abayi engadini. So most of the time ukudla sokuphumile, and most of the time into esikwenzayo vele ukubonga emathongeni, sibonga isikhathi abasiphe sona, sibonga ukudla esikutholile, siqoqa siklina amabala, sesizama ukuzolungisela the other year that will be coming. So it is already a time of ancestors that is very, very high in terms of vibration between May, let's say from March figure August, it's very, very high, but May, there's not much activities in terms of African spirituality, emathongeni ukuthi abantu bangeke bakwazi ukuthi siyahlubula, siyageza, siyavusela emathongeni, senzani. It's something that we are doing already, but we wanted to say let's choose the first week and say maybe in this first week, we can then say asikhumbule amathongo.
Wow. Wow. You know what, Ne? I've been asking this question and the answer. I think I'm answered today, my Manches, because I've been asking myself, why specifically May? Why specifically the 8th of May? Ubani ozena lilanga leli. Angithi we are saying we are going back as Masisweni. Let's go back where we're coming from. But how can we go back if we don't even know why specific day, why specific month? But I think I'm answered. Okay, my next question on that one. Do you think we are ready to celebrate Ancestral Day?
We, the ready is something else. But I'm saying each and every year we see majority about Africans coming up now. Okay. They are, for the fact that you recognize yourself, I am an African, and I am a spirit, and I'm in the land of spirit of mystery, and I'm connecting with this land. It must make you already ready for the fact that abantu abaningi sebayakwazi ukwenza umqombothi manje, That is why umthombo akusekho lula nokuthi siwuthole. So the things ezenzakala ukubona ukuthi nabantu ukuthi hayi gogo besiphahlile, hey gogo senzale, and ukuvuka komoya, umoya at the moment uphezulu in our land, because ancestors are saying we have been waiting for you. We have been waiting for you to cleanse us, bring us back home. We've been waiting for you to adjust and be Africans, you know, in this time. Tell us what is happening. We are waiting for you. Families now are recognizing ukuthi kumele kuyocentwa emathuneni, kumele senzeni, because dala amathuna ayengekho ngaphandle kwekhaya, lali ngaphakathi. You know, so I'm saying people are ready to externally to say we acknowledge amathongo ethu. Each and every day we are finding people say gogo besingazi thina. It's not wrong ukuwenza amasiko wakho mhlawumbe kwabanye uzele enkonzweni lo uyakuyo. You know, we are saying inkonzo must not be a problem yokuthi izocreatela ukuthi lahla okungokwenu. Ukho kwakho kumele umkhumbule ukuthi wakukhulisa.
Wow. My Munchies and Thoughts family, I hope you are enjoying this beautiful episode with our own Gogo Ushila. Darlings, I've learned a lot about African calendar. I was not aware what I've learned now,
Yes.
honestly speaking, and I'm sure I'm not alone. There are other Munchies who are benefiting from this episode. As I always say, take what works for you, run with it. If it doesn't work for you, it's okay. It's okay. Learn and unlearn. As you all know that I am an author of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. This book is only 300 Rand and we deliver across South Africa via PEP Pixie. So, darlings, order this book because this book is beautiful. And to everyone who already purchased a copy of my book, I want to say thank you so much. You guys are really amazing. Your testimonies are really amazing. And of course, we are on season 19 and we are drinking ginger beer.
Yes.
And of course, you can get this ginger beer at your nearest Pick n Pay and as a bar. Gogo, are you still fine?
I'm okay. I would love to drink ginger
Let's
beer. I
drink
can
it.
see it's hot.
Let's drink it. Let's drink it. Yo, I hope it's over like that. My. Hey, I'm going to champagne.
Nangalelana ngenze njani. Imnandi mkhulu. Sithi cheers.
Cheers, yeah.
Yeah.
Kumele siphahla. Kumele
siyathela,
Yo, son, and you know the nice thing, my next where should I pour? Down there.
Khona nje lapho.
My next segment it's sizokhuluma ngophahla. Ngiyangibona abantu abaningi baphahla ngotshwala gogo. Why siphahla ngotshwala? What purpose? Like,
it
can
depends.
you teach me?
Yes. Are we rolling?
We are on set, honey.
I thought ufuna ngimhlebele
No, we are
ukuthi
shooting.
kungathi siphahla ngotshwala. It depends. Ukuphahla ngotshwala it's throughout the continent. I think okhokho labe bahamba beyithola khona. You know, remember that we are scientists as Africans. We did not learn from anyone. And we learned from ourselves. So if bahamba bahlangana nehlahla like fruits nan, they know how to ferment these fruits, you know. They know how to distill the fruits. They know how to do in anything. You'll go to Western Africa because they abasebenzisa umqombothi. Bona they use more palm. Palm tree, and they will then tap it. We do have in South Africa as well the palm. It's a certain liquid like. So they would then take that palm by kipe, then go and ferment it. After fermenting it, it becomes an alcohol because it's fermented. It's a water that has been fermented, and that water becomes alcohol. The other way, they will take it and or fruits and distill. They know how to distill, and they will distill it.
That's why we have amarula.
Yes, the one that you see, it's I would say stolen from the indigenous Africans. If you are talking about amarula cream, or you are talking about the amarula, the plant itself.
No, I'm talking about the amarula. It's amarula beer. There's amarula beer or what? But there's a tree that yellow. I remember, man, when I was a child, we used to go Ehlane sikhe lezi zinto
lithole nje
lesizidle.
amarula
Yes.
akere ke motlhare o moholo
Yeah,
isihlahla
yeah,
nje esikhulu
yeah,
at a
yeah.
particular time siwisa
Siwisa
lamalolo
lezi zinto eziyelo,
yingakho
yes.
uthola nezilwane mezidla ziyadakwanyana so it has that thing
Yeah,
you know
yeah.
but bebayithatha bona bayifake whether they put whatever fruit then bayivale bafake not sugar as sugar lo usuthengayo umoba izimfe so they would use other plants as a sweet or sometimes they will put honey you know amanye ama fruits anoshukela nje wona you don't need to put anything
Wow.
so when they ferment then they start making these utshwala that we call it alcohol you know normally they would say gin hot we call it umbilo omhlophe because they can use umbilo omhlophe and distill and it becomes a gin that you want they can use anything
So utwala is part of us.
it has been because they used to not only for drinking, also they would use for healing because this is spirit. So they would trial and error and get what needs to be. This thing does not start now. It starts from ancient time, from BC or before BC. You know, if you check Kemet and look at how umbila bebawugaya amabele njengathi benza umqombothi, it has been done there. And you look at how they were doing distilled, it's exactly what we are doing today. So they will use it and then in acknowledgement, because whatever we do, uma uzonginika i-drink le, what I would do, I will taste it and put it kubogogo ukuthi naku enginike kona asiphuzeni umbilo omhlophe. Phuzani nani loku naloku naloku. Not that we are making them to get drunk. You know.
Like mina always say because basengifile bayangiphathela or bayenza if they will do it they'll make sure they've got champagne, they've got wine and ginger beer.
They would. Sometimes it's wine because they will use ama grapes.
Yes,
so they would
yes.
have done wine or they would use umqombothi wodwa. Abanye they would say no, like we prefer ukwenza umqombothi wodwa. Laba abanye bathi thina esindaweni sithi ay mina nilaba vinyo. Ngicela ukuthi uma kuphahla ngoba siyazi ukuthi esindaweni basebenzisa ivinyo you know sizosebenzisa ivinyo which is it's a red wine that will use njalo will also bring in a cold drink like I said to you ukuthi ikhamera we used to call it though we call it a khamera it should have its own indigenous name because khamera it's another word you know the le ginger le khona la ngaphakathi you know we should now claim back what all khokho bethu used to do you know. So
and as I was saying, this one is very special because it's the way how my grandmother used to make it, and it's traditionally brewed, and it stays in the fridge. It's aged well there, and you can have it. You can just play around and.
Sikhula thina kwakuyiyo nje cold drink ebakhona ephekiwe ekhaya ngebhodle elikhulu elimnyama and they will leave it to ferment whether 3 days bayifake lokho abakufaka kona ukuthi inuka indawo yonke sazi ukuthi kunomsebenzi lapha siyophuza cold drink yakhona nani we did not use other cold drink we used that one but this form part ukuthi umuphahla now you bring what was there it's nothing new in Africa that we have these things are always there and this they use for communication yabo because if bahambe indlela ende they may not have time to rebrew because they were moving. Remember our ancestors were movers they would just move.
Wow, thank you so much. I see you said this is the African calendar.
Yes
my munchies, I hope
this is an ancient
I didn't know
this
guys
is an ancient
we
African
are learning
calendar.
every day.
Which 12 months it's an ancient African calendar you can
with 12 months can you show me the months?
okay this 2 4 6 8 and you have these ones 9 10 11 12
okay.
So you have these seasons and that season and season, but lazy girl you'll find it's between November, October, no November. Then you find December there. Ganjalo. The major seasons are 4 seasons that makes the calendar, but supplemented by la manyege inyanga lezezinye. We have 364 days plus 0.5, not normally, not 365 because of the 28 days that we have in 13 months.
Oh, wow.
They make this. This is written, this come from Egypt, which I would say it today it's Egypt, but it used to be a Kemet. And yeah, ibhalwe phezgo komhlanga sort of or ipapyrus utshani lobo buvelayo o emhlangeni buye bushaywe bese kwenza into yokubhala kubhalwe khona.
Wow. I hope niyabona my munchies this is our African calendar. Oh wow. Thank you.
Thokoza mkhulu.
Thank you so much. Wow. Okay, let's take us to another point now. But before I can move to this African calendar in Zolelanga, is there anything you want to share with my munches before I can move to my next topic?
Mkhulu, I would go back again to say what we not discovering what we know. Oh, Koko, laba bakhule nabo gogo kakhulu nabo mkhulu. You know, abomkhulu they will talk about iskhathi sonyaka wozamqolo, a certain rain, a rain that used to it rained around about 1980 something. It was a very big rain, you know. So iskhathi sozamqolo bebabona ngani kwakwenze njani. Abanye bazokhuluma ngesikhathi se kwakune umhlabathi obovu. But isikhathi semhlabathi obovu, you know, kwaba nomhlabathi omningi nje owenzakalayo in areas where we come from. So nabanye from different areas. Kubalekile ukuthi we must respect all abadala kithi ukuze sifunde thina bamanje. Lo onogogo nomkhulu, please do go back kuloyo muntu ngenhlonipho, nimphathe kahle, mbuzeni amasiko enu, mbuzeni imvelaphi yenu, mbuzeni ukuthi ngesikhathi esithize la ekhaya senza kanjani. Kubalekile ukuthi nibabuze nanokuthi uma ukuthi umntana ezelwe la ekhaya ngesikhathi esithize kwenzani, noma kuyiwele, uma ukuthi umntwana ehamba la ekhaya senze njani, uma kuzilwa kuyazilwa na, ngoba ingubo emnyama ayifakwe eAfrika thina simhlophe sonke, you know. Uma sesigeza kugezwa kanjani muthi muni, it's nothing wrong ukuthi ama families abe nemithi yabo, ikhona vele umuzi nomuzi unali igobongo labo, banalo ukuthi sisebenzisa ubulawo bala ekhaya, yabona. Kunokuthi uzufike mina la kagogo ngizokunika phela, but ngizosala sengikuedela lokhu okoko mhlawumbe kunye ukampeli ngifike ngokufakele khona. But kubalekile ukuthi la ekhaya umuzi nomuzi nazi ukuthi umntwana uma esuka esibhedlela ngoba sisazalele ekhaya nimletha kanjani, nibheka ilanga, nibheka inkanyezi, loyo mntwana nikwazi ukumtshela ukuthi wavela wena ilanga lime kanje, so that akhona ukuthi noma ngelinye ilanga akhona ukuzi identify ukuthi konje ngubani, isiphiwo sami bekuyini, ngangembethe kwase kwenzakalani, yini okufuna kwenzeke. Kuningi nje okumele bakufunde. But ngithi asibuyelele emuva, isikhathi esisebenzisayo eninaso ninomndeni, you can make a family group or a family dinner or family festival zenu ukuthi but we are going to talk about our songs, ukuthi umntwana mekazelwe kuculwani, our time ukuthi mokufika uMarch la ekhaya senzenzani, inqolobane zala ekhaya zaya kuphi, siyazakha na ngoba kululu kwakhe inqolobane it's
I know it.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah.
Kuphuma ebantwini ukuthi ukugcoka kwala ekhaya abantwana bekhula kugcoka kanjani. We are not saying now hamba unjalo because life it's no longer the same, but at least we would have known ukuthi la ekhaya umntwana uma ukuthi kufakwa ulinda umfaka kulindiswe kanjani, uma ezomilisa nisebenzisani ngankathi yipi.
My munchies, kubalekile ukuthi sizazi, kubalekile ukuthi sazi imvelaphi yethu. Engikufundile manje kugogo, I need to go back. Myself. Chef, I need to go back. Find myself. Yes, I know myself. Like, imvelaphi. Because where we don't care about certain things. You know what's so funny? Just to tell you a story, there are things I never believe in when le showing in you know, there will be a moment I was like, I was not part of that gang. But what I've learned ukuthi imvelo inendlela ebuyisa ngayo abantu bayo.
Kuyiqiniso mkhulu. You are here because you represent greater villages. You are presenting queens and kings of your land. Emuva le. You have been called for this time to remember them. You have been called to resuscitate amasiko wakini, inkolelo nangokwenza kwenu. You are a greater one. Maybe you were a king before, who knows? But you are here now. You know, you must not sleep. Not allow your mind to sleep. You must wake up and say, I am here to assist ukuvuselela and lead lesikhathi samanje. Because kunalento inkolelo esina ukuthi ngiyothi ngibuyele emuva uma bengibuza ngiyophendula ukuthi bengenzani ngafike ngenzani. We are not here to relax. We are not here in a vacation. We are here to work. We are here ukuthi ngiwubani isibongo lesi sakho sikutshelani ukuyibongela phela isibongo meaning isithakazelo ngiyayibongela isibongo it doesn't mean anything else has nothing to do with us surname we don't know what surname is but uma uthi ngiyabonga uthi ngiyazibongelela njengami ngizothi ngumphemba ngumbhelo omuhle umphemba uphemba ngamabele ogode ngiyazibongela uma ungibuza ngiyothi ngumbhelo umbhelo ukhokho le akumina kodwa sengiyambongelela ngoba ngirepresenta yena today.
Wow, thank you so much. Wow. Mina ngingushandu kaNdaba umthiya ngenkomo yami ethiya ngamahlahla mina vele ngwasebukhosini ke anyway. I'm going to read a statement for you. I just need your thoughts. This show is called Manjis and Thoughts.
Okay.
Just need your thoughts, go.
Okay.
Your honesty. For decades now, as Africans, we have reclaimed the healing arts of Ubungoma. What was once demonized, marginalized, and practiced in secrecy has become visible, popular, even celebrated. My question, as Ubungoma gained popularity, did it lose its purpose?
Okay. In a way, yes. You must understand ukuthi Ubungoma, it's not something that is new now. It is a heritage. It's a heritage that we need to defend by all means. Because uma uthi ubungoma buhamba nengoma. Umuntu mehambile ekhaya kumele ahambe ayongoma eze nale ngoma. Ingoma uqala nayo ikuthatha usekhaya ikukhiphe ikuse la kumele uyokhona bahambe nawe. Kwakusemandulo kunjalo bayongoma nawe wedehlathini kodwa bakunike imento ezoba khona ezokusiza ubungoma isangoma ngoba kuyadependa futhi ukuthi ubungoma buphi kunobungoma besisuthu njalo siyahlukahlukana ubungoma mobungoma kuye kuhambelane namasiko wakini because we are not introducing something that is new uma ufika la kungona khona uma uzele bungomeni what is very important abazoyidonsa kuwe noma bayiphakamise ukuthi gogo ubani awusulo ubungoma kusushila shila is not isangoma I'm not isangoma lobungoma buphuma kude ingako uma bengibiza ngegama lami lethongo elavela lona nabanye bahamba bazosho ukuthi thina sidla lokusenza kodwa sisemzimbeni walogojwana logodo lolu sihleli phakathi kwalo kumele kwenze kanje inhlonipho iya ngokwehla ubungoma it's a very sacred uyabizwa bizelwa kulona ungabizwa ukuthi uzongoma ngoba kufuneka ukuthi ube nengoma ubuyisangoma nje sengoma so gida ingoma umuntu ophiwe lona ubize bathi uzoba isangoma eselaphayo ke mhlambe usuqala la ekhaya ukulapha umndeni ulaphekile wena kumele ulapheke eqala bese ukwazi ukuzolapha umndeni bese ulapha ke isizwe esikhona you know mhlambe ethi isangoma sezulu okwakho ukuthi ubizele ukuzokwazi ukuconnecta nemikhathi yonke uzokwazi ukuthi ngisangoma sezulu ngiyazi ukuthi ku cosmic ama energies ahamba kanjani lamathongo ahlele emkhathini ayakwazi ukukhuluma nawo uyakwazi ukubatshela ukuthi ngelanga elithile kuyokwenza lokhu nalokhu susani lokhu ngoba kunezulu elizayo lingekho kahle isangoma esibika izulu leso kuba nezangoma ezibukana nezilwane nje kuphela kuba izangoma mhlambe ezibheke ukuthi bukani intaba lezi njani siya ngokwahlukahlukana ngobungoma uyabona bese kungezelela ke ukuthi abanye ke kuba nobunyanga phakathi ukuthi omunye uthola ukuthi whilst uphiwe lobungoma kanti kunobunyanga futhi obunyangekayo laba bahambe bayofunda nje ngamakhambi wodwa umuza kuye umtshe ukuthi yazi ngiphethe ekhanda uyazi ukuthi uyikhanda linjani mkhulu eliqala la yilama pharmacist lawo ama herbalist lawo yilaba abakhuluma ke ngokuthi sizothatha lokusihlanganise nalokho kodwa ubungoma it was a very divine space it's a very sacred space. We are trying to protect ubungoma and I'm requesting ukuthi abangoma abazi ubungoma because you can't claim ubungoma ungayanga wayengomeni yingako ukuthi umuntu abafana baya engomeni bathi baya esikolweni bayokwaluka ukuze ubizwe something else you can't uzibize ungazange wahlanganyelana kumele uzohlanga uwazi imithetho yakhona awuyelanga ukuyohlushwa ebungomeni uyela ukuthi iego yakho isuke lo okuhluphayo laba abakuhluphayo bavele imagine ukuba uhlushwa inkosi ukuthi inkosi la kuya kwakubuswa kodwa le nkosi ifuna ukuvela ukuthi uhambe ubuyele emuva ukuthi uma ukhulume ngeauthority because uyakwazi ukukhuluma nabo uyakwazi ukubabiza uvikile uShando wathi sikhona thina singabobani bani wena uthi ngiyamazi unje wayegcoka kanje nanje babeqhamuke kuphi injini uthi nginitshele lokho because bakulethe ebungomeni bekuthembile ukuthi wena uzobuya bese uyabalungisela ulungisele nesizwe sonke kodwa uqala kuwe bese kuza kubo ngoba yithongo elithwasayo akuthwasi wena though they are using your body but yibo abasukumayo yibo abanikazi bendaba yibo abanikazi bokukhuluma ngeke usuke uzifake ephehlweni uya kanjani ephehlweni ungazange ubize uyofika ubizwe bani akukuhle ukuthi uthi noma ufike ephehlweni sowuphiwa igama abakhulume bona ukuthi bawobani bakuletheleni la bafunani bafuna ukuthi wenzeni ugobela kumele abe naso sipho sokuthi ababuze ukuthi namhlupha lo mntwana ningobani nimhluphelani nifunani kwenithi makenzeni nani iqhamuke phi nani ayakhuluma amathonga uma ekuphile emkhulu ngokweqiniso
so masithwasa ithongo
uyithongo yibo laba abakhululekayo ngoba mawudla akudli wena ungayidli inyama nje ubhekile yingakho kumele uvuse lamathongo ukuthi kube uwe sicele kuwe siwakhulumise nokubhonga kuyashintsha because you just now uthuka nje sengenzile ukuthi lento kakhulu thina ke singunini lesi sase esinobuswati nobundawo ngaphakathi sithi uliphuza walphalaza ngeke uliphuza ulibhekile immediately ucela ukuliphuza sikwenze ukuthi uphume ngaphakathi because you don't need to see no taste no what we don't even know how it tastes like mosedlozini but if uyifekile uzongitshela ukuthi ulizwile walizwa ukuthi liyashisa uwazwana molapha wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngizofa noma ngizoyenze njani kwasha kwacima nani bathi ngidla ibhudlu lana kuningi esikwenzayo ama activities akhona maningi ungakuthi ngivusa isidlozi ngifihlelwe hey kuningi nje komkhulu okwenziwayo ebungomeni isangoma hayi okunye ngingakwazi mina ngisangoma mkhulu angikwazi okunye ngazi ubungoma ngisangoma mkhulu ngahamba ngayothwasa la ngikhipha ngahlupheka ngabuya ngathwasa ngimthwasile umnguni nomndawo ngabuya ngakhuliswa ukuthi wase ngiyisanusi from la ngisuke khona kodwa ngisayibiza ukuthi ngiyisangoma ngisesowuthwasa ethongeni ngoba ngibazi nabo ubungoma.
So now after you've explained different kinds of ubungoma and what so the purpose where you are sitting, are we still doing things right?
Ngibonile mkhulu sengihambile
iminyaka
ngiyisangoma iminyaka ekhaya ngicela ukubahlupha kuna 12 bangenzela lokho ngabuyela nginawo bo 27 sengimnike 26 ngimdala mkhulu ebungomeni kokuningi sidlulisile mina anginankinga ngabantu abaphethwe amathongo futhi ngiyajabula ithongo melimkhethile because bebakuphethe ube isangoma they just want a link you are a linkage ukuthi sikwazi ukukhuluma ngawe sikwazi ukukhuluma nawe wena ube you are our ears and eyes you are our ears and eyes and mouthpiece uyakwazi ukusikhulumela uyakwazi ukukhuluma sikuzwe uyayazi inhlonipho yethongo uyazi ama items esiwafunayo means and tools okumele wasebenzise nesikhathi sakhona uyazi ukuthi kumele uzile umngoma uyazi ukuthi umngoma akabaka umsindo umngoma akakhendabeni mkhulu umngoma into esabekayo ngaso sonke isikhathi uhlele ethongeni lakho ukhulumana even if you can have a life yakho oyiphilayo that idloza lithi yekela ukuphila lokho kumele ukuphila you do but now so ukuphila ngalendlela ukuthi ngiyinkosi because once you twas you become now elevated to a royal space you are a royal space ingwe le oyifakayo kumele ihlonipheke you know kumele kutholakala ukuthi noma ungena ukukhuluma nabo you know ukhuluma nabo ngokuyithoba nokwenzani you know but the way we see things happening today they are no longer the same we have moved away sichelile kakhulu ekwenzeni nokwazi nokwenza ubungoma like isangoma we you know there are things that we look because of mhlambe ioperation yilento change abantu ukuthi to do things the way bezenza ngakhona don't want to add ezinye izinto ezingithusayo noma ngizibona yabona nginolaka mina edlozini mkhulu nginawo amathwasa la ekhaya khona but when we come entweni edlozi I don't have angifuni ukuthi sidlale ungangirobhi because I love to look like ngokubhekile and uma ngokubhekile mina I'm just reading your mind uthini wena uthini wayidlozi lakho ungalihloniphi sixabana kusa angimshaya umntana obuntu kodwa isigubhu ngiyasishaya ngifuna ukukhuluma naledlozi elizela ekhaya ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi kungani kwenzeka kanje kungani ngenzeni ngoba angifuni ukukhuluma ngibanga umsindo ngifuna ukuzwa kona ukuthi silungisa kanjani lenkinga le ugojwana wakho esengimbone echela kuwe nginomona ngawe ngoba usemosha wena uyothe phuma la uyothuthwa sekabani eyilento ayenzayo manje la ekhaya. So kunenhlonipho ehlonipheke kakhulu umngoma uyilento ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi ama-aerials wethu ne-network kumele ihlale isebenze because kumele sibheke we are seers, we see, we hear. Kumele sichushise ukuthi akukho kahle kumele kususwe izulu leli lizobulala abantwana ilwane nani akuphahle umngoma ungayiboni ke leyo nto lena kuse wena hayi uwe uyashaya uyanatha yiyo kule anginankinga ukunatha ngoba mesiphahla mkhulu uyabufaka lo noma sibukhipha sibuthi sibusile kodwa hlala ukhulume nethonga ukuthi bakubizeleni ubiziwe awuzibizanga ihloniphe lento uyo enhle futhi ehloniphekile nesidima ngiyabuthanda ubungoma mkhulu.
Thank you so much. My Manches, I hope you are learning from ugogo uShila. Yazi ukhuluma into ebalekile and iyangithinta kwanami ukuthi kumele uzihloniphe kumele uzazi ukuthi ubani ungabe nje utholakala yonke indawo emsindweni sizwa ngawe. Okay, mina ngiyaphuza niyazi nami.
Lungile.
I'm not gonna say a lot about that because that's my area. Anyway, it's going to my next question. Gogo, are we healing or are we performing healing?
The healer, we are all wounded. We started with that.
Okay.
Even the healer is wounded.
Okay.
Even the one on a CPO, that person is wounded. Idlozi lingena ngepain in most of the time. You would have had izinto eziningi and they will take, and now they isolate you from ebantwini and they're dealing with you now accordingly. They're restoring you, balancing you ngendlela. You should, I think for me, the issue of saying, I'm ready to heal, it starts with you, and the healing does not ask. You're not asking anything because amatongo akuwela ngaphakathi. It's you accepting what I'm accepting the healing. I'm accepting the healing because as a healer, if I get healed myself, I'm able to heal others. So if as a healer ngiye phehlweni ngisabuya naleya mentality ebengiyiyo, however ngifake ubuhlalu, ngifake imfiso, ngifake yonke into, ngifake amabhayi, it does not mean most of the time you have healed. The healing will then izobonakala ngama actions akho nangendlela ubonisa nokuziphatha kwakho ukuthi he's no longer like lo muntu othukana abantu bayathukana la ngaphandle kakhulu kancane akusulo muntu ophakamisa isandla because ukuphakamisa isandla wakhipha igazi so wonile kumele lo muntu umlungise. So when you heal mostly mkhulu is to focus on which area you're supposed to heal. Most of people have been raped, most people have been ignored or damaged by families, friends, abantu estratini, or the country itself. So that's why there's a need of healing. We are crying for healing at the moment. One, we need to acknowledge that we haven't yet started healing. We are striving to heal, but we haven't. For the fact that lo ongene kuwe obeka lo beka gula ngimlaphile na ulaphekile usengitshelile ukuthi ulaphekile na laba bagcwele bekahamba nabo mhlambe kulomhlaba la kwakhiwe lo muzi kwakunamathuna okwabulawa abantu are these people that ababe la basuswa abanye nani, are they healing? Have they healed? Because you cannot heal alone in a space where abantu abaningi babe ngezanga baphathe kahle babulawa nani. But what we are doing, we are surviving instead of healing. We are in the survival mode, which is just temporarily, hence we break now and then, because when you heal, you just say, it's all okay. I am what I am. I am more than this body. And I'm hearing you. I should not be driven by anger, by sadness, by saying, I'm accepting things the way they are. Wow. However, can change them.
However, I can change them. Don't finish content unless you don't want me to come back again. So now, your last word of wisdom to my Manches, then we are closing the show.
I think for me, to each and every one of us, one, we have to acknowledge that ngiwumuntu present here with you physically here, but I'm also having others spiritually, that whilst I'm hearing to you, in my mind, abanye bazothi ngizwa amazwi, I'm hearing many voices, there's histories of schizophrenia, depressions, and so forth. Do I know myself? Do I know who is this person is? Or do I have a relationship with the spirits in me or the spirits around me? Do I tick when people say things? Sometimes people will say things. You don't have a power of saying people must not talk about you. People talk about people.
Yes,
You don't have power. But when you hear what people have gossiped about you, then you start breaking. You should not. It's a problem. What you need to do is to acknowledge who you are and acknowledge the limitation in the home where you are born, whether a small or big or poor or what, you are here to change that family. If there's way, you have a way. If not, there's no if about it. Because you don't say, hey, I wish to change. Say, I'm changing my family, and do it. Have these affirmations ozenzayo ukuthi, okay, mina, today I've seen the sun. We woke up endlini ngabo 4. Ngo 6 o'clock usikhuluma namogogo ukuthi we thank the sun that it's risen. I thank that I'm here, I see you, and I have a task to do today, to better myself, to better the space enguso, and I appreciate what I have been chosen to be who I am, and I don't wish to be omunye umuntu. However, the minimum now I'm willing to share, because Ubuntu say we need to share.
Wow, thank you so much. Ubuntu say we need to share, and let's do a cheers. And thank you so much.
Yes,
and
we are sharing.
goodbye, darlings.